Heddon Super Spook Jr. in the mail. It's a lot of... Sun's not quite up yet. Stay away from that bird. Topwaters aren't the easiest to use when you're sitting down. If you're gonna do it, kind of hold it out to the side like this. There we go. Couldn't resist it. Oh, damn. He spit at the last second. It was a trout, though. And that's what happens. I'm all tangled up. Let's put this right up the edge over here. Nice predator fish. It's going to be probably a bite right here if I'm lucky. Oh yeah, instantly. Good one. Back-to-back cast. Oh yeah. Oh, I foul hooked. Well, he went for it, but he's foul hooked. Yeah. All right, buddy. You got treble hooks in you. Relax. You're all wrapped up in the line, bud. Do not move. Good boy. What a cluster freak that was. See if I can work it this way. Oh yeah. Oh, you see that? Man. There we go. Damn, man. They hit that thing freaking hard. It's not on the hooks. Tighten this drag up a little more. Oh yeah. See that? So nobody's even looking at this color today, huh? They ain't even interested in it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Jumped right out of the water and everything. Man, right back on the top water, first cast. All right, buddy. You're barely hooked. Look at that. totally missed it. Totally missed the bait, but he went for it. That treble hook got hung up in him. There. Beautiful little specimen of Mother Nature. Ah, shit. The second that hit the water, man, I know the paddle tail's pulled off. Jesus. I guess I'm going to go back to the top water for a minute. The tide is very, very slacked right now, and I'm surprised that they're going after these things the way they are, but I think it's just the trout. It's their time of year to be fired up, and they're hitting whatever is in front of them. Oh, killed that thing. Damn. Ladyfish? Gotta be. Yeah. Come on, Poopy. You guys are aggressive, man. Don't poop. Look at that. You got hooked in the mouth, and you're all torn up. You need to chill, dude. Oh, shit. Damn. Oh. I'm actually running my my Canon M50 camera. Never really used it out here before while I'm fishing, but guess now it's, oh damn. Oh yeah. Big blow up. Come on, baby. Digging, digging. Yeah. And that's what we're going for. That is exactly. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Woo. That's a nice trout right there. Woo, that's a big boy. Man, you're barely hooked. It's a good thing. Exactly what I was going for. What I've been going for. God. That's a nice one right there. 19. Let's get this beautiful baby back in the water. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.